Vechain holder. So welcome to another brand video. Finally my friends, the Vechain price will pumps off. The price is starting increasing, as you can see here, plus 0.11% the price will increase now. So that's a very good news for all of you my friends. To price will starting increasing now. And those days my friend, a lot of cryptocurrencies were very badly faced down, and Vechain is also one of them my friend. As you could see here, this time just in only my friends from 6:36 a.m. my friend, you can see here the price will starting pumping, and you could see here I think the 12 hours is going to be completed now, but the price will moving upward. So that's a really good news for all of you my friend. To price will starting increasing, the price will pumping up, and I am also happy because I am also holder of Vechain coin my friends. So in previous days, the reason my friends to the price will fail us down is that my friends to holder are starting selling, they are not holding. And my friend, I already tell you my friend in my previous video to upcoming time, last 10 days of this a month my friend, the price will pumps up. So that's true my friend. As you can see here, the price will starting increasing, so I am so happy, and I just recommend all of you my friend, I will give you advice, all of you my friend. This is my personal experience which I share, to please hold it now in those days. This is my opinion for all of you, to please hold it. If you are hold just in only 10 days my friend, so now I will give you 100% guarantee my friends, to they will give you a very good profit. So why you miss this chance my friends? Please take a risk and get a profit. It's priority my friend from all coins my friend this time, because the price will very badly decrease now all coins my friend. And you can see here Vechain price is 0.11% increasing. So that's mean my friends, to Vechain is priority from all coin. I hope my friend in upcoming time the price will pumps up more, but kindly holder, if you want to get a profit now, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.